Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord application issues if your camera is not working properly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Discord application on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now, you can start using the Discord application right away. But whenever you're trying to use the camera, in order to maybe start a stream for example, then you may run into an issue where your camera is not working. If this happens, then in order to fix this, first you will need to make sure that the access for your camera is allowed. So long press on the Discord application and tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, go ahead and tap on permissions. And if the camera option is placed underneath not allowed, then simply tap on it and then choose allow only while using the app. Once the camera icon is shown underneath allowed, the camera permissions will be allowed to the Discord application right away. You can now go back to the application and try to see if your camera starts to work or not. Now, in case it still doesn't solve your issue, then the only logical explanation would be that your camera is experiencing a hardware difficulty. In that case, you will need to head to the nearest repair center and get your cameras examined. And that is how you can go about to solve your camera issue on the Discord application if it is not working. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.